Hi, my name is Ana Paula Delgado, and today I will explain you the exercise 1 of the key activity. So, the problem says, biologists have observed that the number of chirps of certain species of crickets depends on the temperature, and it is a linear relation. A cricket produces 100 chirps per minute at 70 Fahrenheit and 130 chirps per minute at 80 Fahrenheit. So, now we have to answer the questions. And the letter A says, find the linear function that determines the number of chirps of a cricket with relation to the temperature. So the first thing we have to know is that x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. And in here we have 70 Fahrenheit and 80 Fahrenheit, which this means that there are 100 chirps and 130 chirps, which is the y and the dependent variable. And now that we have this, we have to put this equation. I don't know how to say it, but it means that 70 and 80 are the x, and 100 and 130 are the y. And here we will need this to answer this, which is the equation. And then it says y is equal to mx plus b, and in here, as I said before, and 70 is the x and 100 is the y, and we're gonna use it to solve this. That is how to find the slope. And the equation for the slope is m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And in here we substituted and we got 130, which is in here, and is the y2, minus 100, which is the y1, and 80 minus 70, which is the x2 minus the x1. And we solve it and we got 30 over 10, and the answer is going to be 3, so it means that the slope is going to be the 3. And in here we substituted as y, which is 100, is equal to 3 multiplied by 70 plus b. And then we answer it, and it's 100 minus 210 is equal to b, and then minus 110 is equal to b. So b is going to be minus 110. And as I said it before, y is equal to mx plus b, which is going to be y is equal to 3x minus 110. Well, that's the first one. The second one says, find the slope and plot the graph. So we go to the next slide, and now that we have this, we will know how to graph it. So 70, which is the x, that is this line, we got 70, and then is equal to 100, which is the y and is this line. So we graph 70 and 100, which is in here. So we plot the point in here. And then it says 80 and 130. So we have 80 and 130 that we know that is in here. And we plot the point. So the last problem says, using the equation found in A, determine the number of chirps a cricket makes at a temperature of 85 Fahrenheit. And we have this. Y is equal to 3x minus 110, which is the linear function, and the one that we got in here. And we solve it. Oh, because we have to know the number of chirps. So it means that it's going to be 3 multiplied by the temperature minus 110. Then we got 3 multiplied by 85, which is the temperature minus 110. Then we solve it, and it's going to be 255 minus 110, and we are going to have 145 chirps. So I hope you like it, and that's it.